ওম নীলাদ্রি কন্দরানন্দী বন্দনা লয়বন্দিত বন্দে মন্দার বন্দার ইন্দিরা মন্দির। Dear friends, devotees, mothers, sisters, brothers, and all of you, I welcome to listen about Lord Jagannatha. Today is a most popular and important day for devotees because of Lord Jagannatha, Balabhadra, Subhadra, and Sudarsana is now on the Grand Road at Puri Srikshetra. Grand Road in Odia called Bodadanda. Lord Vishnu Bhagavan, Sri Jagannatha is fond of makeups. Bhagavan Shankara is fond of pures of water, and Bhagavan Sun is fond of Namaskar, and Fire, Lord Fire is fond of ghee. Today we shortly take a knowledge about makeup of gold. In 1436, Gajapati Kapilendra Deva was ruled over Odisha, and he conquered many states, take more and more gold, silvers, and other metals from other states to Odisha. These golden ornaments are took on the 8 elephants, and Kapilendra himself disguised was he is a servant of Lord Jagannatha, and the Lord Jagannatha is the supreme power of universe. All the metals, all the world is the part of Lord Jagannatha. So Kapilendra announced the golden ornaments and all wealths are for Lord. All wealths are for Lord's Jagannatha. When Lord Jagannatha is seated on the chariot, a straight line at Grand Road, in Ashadha lunar 11th day, called Ashadha Shukla Ekadashi or Harisan Ekadashi. In Harisan Ekadashi, God make up in many ornaments. There are 5 golden makeups held in a year. The other messages are held on the Ratna Singhasana, means in the temple. But today, in Ashadha Shukla Ekadashi, means 11th lunar day, God is wearing golden ornaments on the road after midday Seva. The Sevakas means are Singhari, Palia, Khuntia, Bhandara Mekapo, Changana Mekapo, etc. are come from the chariot and wearing many ornaments. This ornament's name is Sri Payara, Sri Bhuja, Kirito, Kano, Bahadamali, Sebatimali, Tabijamali, Horida Kadambamali, Maghalakshmimali, Kadambamali, Hama Musala, Chakra, Arakani, Chandrasurya, Attala, Odiyani, Chandrika, Shankha, Agasthimaଳ, Makara Kundala, Kamara Jhumpa, Nakwasi, Parijatamaଳ. In English, it is not possible, but I try to understand you. Sripar means golden made feet. Sribuja means golden made hands. Kirita means arms. Kanna means ear. Bahadamali, one type of ornament. Sebatimali, one type of ornament. Tabijamali, one type of ornament. Horida Kadambamali, one type of ornament. Maghalakshmimali, one type of ornament. Kadambamali, one type of ornament. Lord Balabhadra's weapons are plough and musala. Lord Jagannath's hold in your hand, made by gold, chakra means wheels, and shankha means crutch. Adakani means cover of the ears, and two main ornamentaji, moon and sun. Alaka, Odiyani, Chandrika, Agasthimaଳ, Makara Kundala are different type of ornaments made by gold, and in the neck of Lord Jagannath and Baladeva hold a ornament called Nakwasi, and covering the whole body called Parijatamaଳ. This Sunamesar's gold makeup is sign that the Lord Jagannath is the most powerful universal God, and He is the creator, He is the destroyer, He is the all master of all wealth. Then the Pandas are take rituals in Sanskrit language. Swarata Rata Sri Jagannatha Dvikalinga Gatir Bhati Rajadhi Raja Sri Deva Dei Sri Vijayam Sada. O Lord Jagannatha, you are Swarata means you are the greatest king, master of universe. You are the greatest king of Trikalinga. In that time, our state Odisha was a bigger state, and more peoples are linguistic divided, and they are Odiyas. It is called Trikalinga. Kalinga Sahasika means those are Kalinga, they are bravery. Gatirvati. If you are here, why we are here? It is the most important word for devotees. And then Rajadhiraja means you are the king of all kings. Sri means Lakshmi, wealth, prosperous. I pray, O Lord Brahma, Darubrahma, please give us prosperous, victory, glory, and your charity for all the people. This is the secret behind gold makeup or Sunamasa. If this short story have some knowledge of our Jagannath gold makeup, please share and subscribe and take some comments. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Thank you.